Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you my August CraftyBonbons box, and I think this month's theme is something tropical. So let's open it up and see what's in it. You will find that there's a die cut at the beginning. That's a really beautiful I want to say ostrich, but it isn't. Peacock. Oh my goodness. I love this tissue paper. I'm gonna save it as much as I can. Ooh. Right. Okay, so that's that. And let me just cut that. Amazing. Okay. So let's pop that peacock over here. Right. So you get, what's this? A flip-flop note, like sticky notes. That is cute. That is cute. And you get in this box a pen, I believe. I won't open it just in case I can't. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you are. You can put that there. Is this black ink as usual? That is so pretty. You get a packet of vinyls, sticker vinyls, vinyl stickers. Sticker vinyls. Why you invite Cheryl? So most of the time, if you pre-order your box, you will have some personalized items like this one. So I've got my initial S. Oh, I like that, Aloha. So you've got a few vinyls there. Oh, I love the vinyls. And then you get a washi tape. I can't speak today. Hopefully you can see that. It's like flamingos. Then you get a packet of self-adhesive. It looks like it says self-adhesive. So they're like a little journaling, self-adhesive journaling spots for your journals or your planner. Oh, nice. I love them. Do you know what? This is good for when you go on like a tropical themed summer holiday, or just tropical theme party, or going to the zoo. I think. Oh, I love this. I love these die cuts. This kind of like cluster of flowers. So I won't open it up, but you can see what it is. It's like little kind of like botanical clusters. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. And this is, what is this? A little envelope with, oh, hang on, what's that? Oh, die cuts. Right. Ooh, floral, tropically die cuts. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, that's like a toucan, isn't it? That's great. And then more die cuts, but this time it's birds. So you have a lovely parrot. Well, they're all parrots or macaws. My days, they're gorgeous. That's a toucan, isn't it? And then another set of die cuts, but this time it's like feathers and peacock. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come out, come out. Lovely. So that's so light, loads of peacock feathers. And then peacock, this lovely peacock. That's cute. They're beautiful. Wow. Okay, that's that. And then in this box you get 4 journaling cards. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. Hello, summer. I like that too. And you get some, let's see, there's 3 postcards or journaling cards, postcardy type things that you can use for your journaling or sending to pen pals. You can even, what you can do is, you know, this one's the vinyl die cuts. I probably put the paradise on one thing, and then someone's aloha. I think aloha would be nice in here. Yeah, that's what I would do. And I've asked for a basic size TN insert. Got pink pages in it and it's blank. You then get 4 adhesive labels that you can put on your letters outside envelopes, or you can use them as journaling spots in your journal. And in this kit is information about CraftyBonbons and where you can find them, and the instructions for the self-adhesive vinyl, of course. You also get a set of stickers. Oh, they are kind of like sequiny. That is cute. Oh, that's cute. And then another set of stickers, which is flamingo like birdie. It's a parrot macaw, if you want to call it like that. Another set of stickers. Oh, that's beautiful. I like the color scheme on this one. Just makes you feel calm, isn't it? Oh, get envelopes. Envelopes. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a thing for the jewel pen. So you then get, you get 2 envelopes, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letter pads, or letter, what do you call this? Writing paper, letter writing paper. I can't speak today. I'm really sorry, guys. So that goes in there. I'll probably put that there. And then we come to the papers. So you get this decorative paper. And then you've got some pockety type, like tab thing here. You can cut them to make into tabs, and these one are little pockets in your journals. You can cut them down and glue them in your journals. And then you get this beautiful, beautiful peacock feather. Seems like watercolor paper. Watercolored illustration. That's not watercolored paper, it's illustrated in watercolor. It's really beautiful. And then you get your papers or your cardstocks, and this one's one-sided. This one's paper, and it's a good quality paper. It's so smooth and shiny. And then you get this one. It's another cardstock. And this one's another cardstock, the tiger in it. And this one's another cardstock with the tropical leaves. So that's it, guys. That's my August CraftyBonbons box. So please don't forget to check Facebook group or join us if you want to see what Ali and Debbie are up to. And they do some giveaways. They also have printables in the group, and you get early sneak peeks of the upcoming boxes. And as I said, if you order it, if you pre-order it, they will try and personalize. There will be something that will be personalized for you, like your initials or your vinyls and stuff. I'm sure you've seen it before in the things that I've shared. Some of it are personalized, and that's really, really cool. These three I want to use my vinyls on and then use them as postcards. This one is really pretty. I like this. I've used most of the things I've got. Most of my die cuts are like this in one of the projects I had, and you probably have seen it when I made a when I used it to make one of my tags in the tag collaboration. Yeah, so hope you're okay, guys, and next time I will be sharing something with you, probably using the contents of this box in my journal. So stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Bye.